Welcome to this comprehensive guide on why use Revolut Business API. In this tutorial we will explore the benefits and features of Revolut Business API and how it can help your business grow. Firstly, let's understand what Revolut Business API is. Revolut Business API is a set of programming interfaces that allows businesses to access and manage their financial data and services programmatically. It provides a secure and efficient way to integrate Revolut services into your business applications and systems. Using Revolut Business API can help your business in several ways. It can help you automate financial tasks such as payment processing and accounting, improve financial management by providing real-time access to financial data, and enhance customer experience by providing seamless and secure payment options. One of the key benefits of using Revolut Business API is its ability to automate payment processing. With Revolut Business API, you can create and manage payments programmatically, reducing the need for manual intervention and minimizing the risk of errors. For example, you can use the API to generate invoices and send payment reminders to your customers automatically. Another benefit of using Revolut Business API is its ability to provide real-time access to financial data. With Revolut Business API, you can retrieve real-time information on your account balances, transactions, and payment history, allowing you to make informed business decisions. For instance, you can use the API to generate financial reports and analyze your business performance in real time. In addition to these benefits, Revolut Business API also provides a range of security features to protect your financial data and services. It uses encryption and secure authentication protocols to ensure that your data is secure and protected from unauthorized access. To get started with Revolut Business API, you need to sign up for a Revolut Business account and obtain an API key. Once you have the API key, you can use it to access the Revolut Business API and start building your applications. In conclusion, Revolut Business API is a powerful tool that can help your business grow by automating financial tasks, improving financial management, and enhancing customer experience. With its robust security features and easy-to-use interface, Revolut Business API is an ideal solution for businesses looking to streamline their financial operations and improve their bottom line.